टू दी अंजलि अरोड़ा टॉक शो। मैं अंजलि अरोड़ा करती हूँ आपका स्वागत अंजलि अरोड़ा टॉक शो में। आज मैं सोच रही थी कि हमेशा मैं जो भी गेस्ट आ रहे होते हैं उनकी तारीफ करती हूँ, तो आज मैंने सोचा आपकी तारीफ में, आप जो हमारे ऑडियंस है, हमारी ऑडियंस है जो हमारा शो देखती हैं, फॉलो करती हैं, इतना सपोर्ट देती हैं, तो उनके लिए भी दो लाइनें बोली जाएं। तो मैं आज आपके लिए कहूँगी कि आप आए हमारा शो देखने, गौर फरमाइएगा, आप आए हमारा शो देखने, आपकी क्या बात है। आप आए हमारा शो देखने, आपकी क्या बात है। हम यूं ही आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे अगर आप साथ हैं। जी हाँ, अगर आप इसी तरह से हमारा साथ देते रहेंगे, अपना साथ हमारे साथ बनाए रखेंगे, तो ये साथ बहुत साथ साथ चलता रहेगा। तो चलिए, आज है सैटरडे स्पेशल विजुअल आर्टिस्ट के लिए। और विजुअल आर्टिस्ट आप तो जानते ही हैं, हर सैटरडे हमारे पास नए नए विजुअल आर्टिस्ट आकर अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते हैं, अपनी पैशन जर्नी शेयर करते हैं, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे मैसेजेस देते हैं। तो मैं बुलाती हूँ आज की गेस्ट को। जो आज की गेस्ट हैं वो है आर्टिस्ट गुरमीत कौर जी, जो कि एक सेल्फ टॉट आर्टिस्ट है, मगर बहुत अच्छी पेंटिंग्स बनाती है। बिलीव मी, मैंने जब उनका आर्ट वर्क देखा है, इट्स ट्रूली अमेजिंग। तो चलिए, उनको बुलाने से पहले देखते हैं उनकी शो रील और करेंगे उनका स्वागत। देखा आपने कि कितना अच्छा और अमेजिंग आर्ट वर्क है इनका। तो चलिए करते हैं उनका स्वागत बहुत सारे लव और बहुत सारे लाइक के साथ, मिसेस गुरमीत कौर जी। वेलकम टू आवर शो। मैम गुरमीत कौर, आपका हमारे शो पर बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Thank you so much.
और मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि जो हमारे सैटरडे विजुअल आर्टिस्ट के लिए स्पेशल एपिसोड्स होते हैं, तो वी आर वेरी ऑनर्ड दैट यू आर ऑन आवर शो, क्योंकि आपका एक्सपीरियंस, आपका जो प्रोफाइल मैंने देखा है, इट्स वेरी नाइस, और आपको काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है एंड ऑल। तो मैं आपको ज़रूर बताना चाहूँगी कि जो हमारे शो की टैग लाइन है, इट इज़ अबाउट शेयर योर पैशन। तो
Yeah.
व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू पैशन क्या होता है?
Passion kya hota hai? Passion is something which engulfs you 24/7. You know, you are, it's never out of your system. And it can be anything in any field. It can be cooking also. So the passion is where you, it is like a priority in your life. Other things come later on, but the top of the list is your passion, you know. And
What is your
yeah.
passion, ma'am?
My passion has always been painting. It was, it is, and it will always be painting. Yes.
So how
And
this painting journey started? Matlab, how you thought of कि yeah, I'm interested in art and all.
no, I don't think I thought. I think my God thought about it. And because मुझे जितना मुझे याद है, and whatever my parents tell me, you know, my relatives, I've always been, even as a small child, I always had a, you know, sketch pad in my hand, whatever comes in my hand, pencil and paper. I think I was born with a brush in my hand.
Well said.
Yeah.
So what was the
So,
support of the family? मतलब होता है ना कि many times we scold our children के ये पढ़ाई में ध्यान दो, ड्राइंग मत करो ज्यादा, ऐसा कुछ आपने डांट खाई कि नहीं?
yeah, बहुत. Because for me, I don't know how I got the first dibs in my, exams and all that, but मुझे कोई खास interest नहीं था studies में. मैं कर रही
Okay.
थी because करना है. For me, my painting always took the front seat. You know, even during school, I was so passionate about my painting that I was synonymous to art. You ask
Yes.
any, but my junior, seniors, Gurmit means painting, so yeah. And I will tell you a few classes which I wanted to bunk, so because I didn't like eco, I never liked. So
Economics. Oh.
I would, yeah. And the class and my art teacher, I was her pet. So they always used to be. From a convent, and these sisters, they always used to give some 100 thank you cards or something. So my teacher was all alone. So she would tell me, Ki, Gurmeet, when can you come and help me? So I would tell her that class only where I never wanted to be. So the moment the class will start, the peon will come and Gurmeet is needed in the art room. And I used to be out.
It happens many
So
times. They students are finding out the ways to bunk the class. So you were among one.
yeah, yeah. But मेरा वो मुल्ला की दौड़ वाला हिसाब था. My masjid was always art room. So and my day used to be made, just painting and painting. Yeah.
So have you thought of any career in painting and something? Because होता है ना कि आपने professional training ली है for that.
Well, I'm a self-taught, very
Okay.
frankly.
Hmm.
Yeah. So, and my guru has always been my mistakes.
Okay.
I made mistakes, then I myself, realized कि okay ये ऐसे नहीं ऐसे होना चाहिए. So it has always come from the heart,
Hmm.
it had always had
Actually.
that gut feeling कि okay this I never had any, because I did my college from Lady Shri Ram. I did my proper BA
Hmm.
and normal चल रहा था, but painting has always been like a, मेरे एक partner था मेरा हमेशा से.
अच्छा.
Even when I was doing my BA, I used to do these advertising agencies के लिए
Okay.
freelance. I used to work, yeah, in Delhi, and always, and also I used to do social service,
अच्छा.
So yeah, for because there was this NGO which had these no profit magazines, so I
Hmm.
used to illustrate for them.
Oh, nice.
So the idea was to be in touch with my work,
Mm-hmm.
besides my studies. So even in college, I have been a very active
Okay.
participant in. Yeah, I have used to um, posters हमारे जो festivals के होते थे, I used
Right.
to design them. And in one particular year, I because these festivals, one used to take part in all the competitions in other
Mhm.
colleges of the universities.
Right.
So that very year, I got 10 certificates for my college from
Oh, wow.
different, yeah. So that was a very big achievement, and I got a recognition, like and a special award from my principal, Miss
Hmm.
Luthra, that time. And
And your
those
passion
were
got feathers
very
then.
nice.
Actually,
Pardon?
I said कि then your passion might have got feathers. Now you are thinking कि हाँ
Oh
मुझे
yeah,
और इसमें
yeah.
करना.
See, my in different see life के different phases होते हैं. So studies थी, then marriage, then kids.
Hmm.
ये सब बदलते रहे, लेकिन my painting was always there with me. So
That's good.
it has never left me, and I have never left it.
Never you should also because
Yeah, no,
living for
no,
the
no
passion is the
way.
best thing we want.
Nee, nee, it's I can't do without it. It's my lifeline.
So cute. The way you are expressing this about your passion, your face is glowing, because of because it's showing that how much you love to paint actually.
Yeah, it's a blush pink, I think.
Actually,
We have these colors, the shades, different shades. So
right.
uh,
तो आप ये इस बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे जैसे आपकी जो फर्स्ट एग्जीबिशन व्हेन इट वाज लाइक जब फर्स्ट टाइम आपकी पेंटिंग एवरी टाइम द फर्स्ट लव वी से फर्स्ट लव
yeah,
इज द मोस्ट प्रेशियस वन फर्स्ट बेबी इज द मोस्ट प्रेशियस तो वैसा एक्सपीरियंस, आपकी फर्स्ट एग्जीबिशन का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
Yeah, first exhibition was a small one in Lucknow. I was in
ओके,
Lucknow that time.
ओके।
Yeah, this is about what, 25, 27 years back. And it was a small exhibition, but my name came in the newspaper that time. So it gave a high, at that time,
राइट।
so many years back. Yeah.
So then you continued with the same.
Yes, but in Delhi, I was not much into exhibitions. Over the years, some health issues were there, so I just could not give much time, because exhibition means then you have to really give time and
राइट।
energy. And वो सब मैं नहीं कर पाई, but कहते हैं ना, God, if he shuts one door, he opens another. तो
करेक्ट।
उस वक्त एग्जीबिशंस का मेरा डोर बंद था, लेकिन the other door which opened was a different high, you won't believe, Anjali, all those years when I was struggling with my health issues, and almost about 10, 12 years.
ओके।
So in those years, what happened that I never went out of the home or anything, out of my way to find work. It just came to me, like,
ओके,
and those works were like, I'm more into portraits. I'm a human faces person. I
ओके,
like to draw that. And so I got the opportunity to make the portraits of celebrities,
ओके।
and yeah, and few were commissioned, few were not. Some were, through somebody. I said, "Chalo, okay." But
राइट।
the main thing was that I all the celebrity portraits, I had the opportunity to go and personally give them
Yeah, I
and
saw in
spend
your
some
profile.
time.
Yeah, that only I was saying. I saw on your
Yeah,
profile that you have met many celebrities. So what was that
yeah.
experience? We want to know actually.
Well, to name a few, because I hope, like, I'm not looking like donkey praises his own tail, but I'll just name a few of these celebrities. There was this Sharan Rani ji.
Okay.
She was our first Sarod player of a country. She's a Padma Shri. She was. And her daughter Radhika Bakliwal. Uh, I made two portraits of Sharan Rani ji on her 90th birth anniversary. And I met her personally also. I
Oh,
knew her
nice.
personally
Great.
also. Yeah. Yeah. So that opportunity I got. Here, I mean, then Khushwant Singh ji, the famous journalist, he also, he was like a father figure to me. I used to call
Okay.
him Papa K. And
अच्छा।
I got so much of encouragement from him, like a father does to his daughter. And his portrait I made, and his portrait was used by the Punjab government when
Oh.
Papa K was conferred with Punjab Ratan Award. So their team, Captain Amrinder Singh ji, us waqt, he had given away the award. So his team had come to Kushwant Singh ji's house, and they looked, because there were many portraits of his, even M.F. Hussain was there,
Right.
and many eminent senior artist had made his portrait. So mine was also kept in between, and Papa Gay used to had put my portrait right where in the living room he used to sit,
Okay.
and right across where he could see it every day. So that was, I was
Big
honored by
honor.
that. And yeah, and the Punjab Ratan Award में उन्होंने, they picked up my portrait, the portrait which I had made for Khushwant Singh ji, and they used it in their advertisements in the newspapers, and it was in the all over the media. So, and then Pran Sahab ji. Pran Sahab ji, I made his portrait on his 90th birthday.
Okay.
And yeah, so 90th birthday, his birthday falls on 12th February.
Okay.
So he was given that portrait. I knew somebody who's close to him and his family. So through that person, I had sent.
Oh,
ये भी सब destined होता है, you know. मैं जैसे एक अंदर से मेरी आवाज आती है, okay, I want to do this, and by grace of God, I'm able to complete that work also, and you know वो वहां तक पहुंच भी जाता है. And what happened that 12th he received that painting, and 13th I was on that, and 13th is my birthday also.
okay.
So 13th, yeah, 13th Feb, I was on the treadmill and a unknown number phone call came.
अच्छा.
So I just put it on the speaker and I said hello, and आवाज आई कि is that Guddu? बेटा मैं प्राण uncle बोल रहा हूँ, and I was like almost
Great.
fell down.
Okay.
And we spoke, yeah, and we spoke for good 10 minutes, and then he no he spoke to my hubby also, and बड़े प्यार से उन्होंने, and he invited us. He said कि बेटा मुझे कभी भी बॉम्बे आओ, मुझे मिलना. So तो चांस की बात है कि मार्च में there was a trip which I had to come to Bombay. That time I was in Delhi. So then I went and met him, and his wife was there, and warm hospitality, and it was such a nice thing. You know, I stayed for almost 45 minutes with
Ah,
him. Yeah, had a cup of tea, and it was really good. And he gave me, his autographed biography book. This one, if you can see.
yeah.
This he autographed, and he presented this to me. So these these achievements are I am cherishing. This is one of my very prized possession.
ट्रू एंड
Yeah.
दीज आर द थिंग्स, मतलब होता ना, इट्स अ मेमोरी, हमेशा के लिए एक यादगार, कि जब भी हम याद करें तो एकदम होता है
Yeah.
सीन एकदम आंखों के सामने आ जाए वैसा.
And at that time, he was not even, meeting the media. He was off media, and
ओके.
but calling me over, and it was a very nice experience. Something I always cherish. Yeah.
थैंक्स, आपने हमारे साथ भी ये एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया, और हमें भी फील हो रहा है कि लाइक होता है बहुत बार, आई हैव सीन कि जितने बड़े लोग होते हैं ना उतने हम्बल होते हैं एक्चुअली में.
यस, एब्सोल्युटली, और होना भी चाहिए. जितना कहते हैं ना, जितना पेड़ पे फल
फल
लगता
होता
है उतना ही वो झुकना
है.
चाहिए उसको. सो
राइट,
या,
राइट.
इट शुड
ऐसा
बी
ही
लाइक
होना
दैट.
चाहिए.
हाँ जी.
तो मैम आप आपके हिसाब से आप आर्ट को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे?
आर्ट तो आई थिंक इट डिफाइंस अस द आर्टिस्ट. हम क्या डिफाइन करेंगे, बट art is something where you put your sentiments, your emotions on the canvas, and the choice of the colors, the subject, it talks a lot about the artist. And in a one line, if I say, art, it enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time.
वेल सेड.
So yeah.
तो अगर आप समझिए कि आपको एक रूम में बंद कर दिया जाए कैनवस के साथ, तो और आपको उसके साथ क्या चाहिए होगा? लाइक समझिए आप ड्राइंग कर रहे हैं कुछ.
कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ मे बी अ कप ऑफ टी, बट और तो कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए.
तो
कुछ भी
होता है ना,
नहीं
बहुत
चाहिए.
जनों को म्यूजिक सुनना होता है बैकग्राउंड में टू फील दैट
नहीं,
थिंग.
वो भी है.
ओके.
Music is also a part of my that passion, but definitely it does not, shares the seat with my art. But yes, music and painting goes hand in hand for me. मैं जब भी काम करती हूँ, मेरे बैकग्राउंड में सॉफ्ट म्यूजिक चलता है.
अच्छा.
And I feel, Anjali, that music and painting, uh, they are also a form of meditation.
ट्रू.
You know, yeah. I in fact had made a series about 3-4 paintings where I had depicted this only, that
ओके.
yeah, the music and painting, it's a form of meditation. So the amalgamation of the two is so fantastic. It's bliss. It's a bliss. Yeah.
या. तो आप कह रहे हैं कि आपको म्यूजिक का भी बहुत शौक है, तो यू
Yeah.
सिंग और समथिंग लाइक गाने वगैरह
Pardon?
गाने का, गाना वगैरह गाने का शौक है आपको?
No, no, no. I croak, please. I may hum.
तो which kind of music you enjoy actually?
I like soft piano,
Okay.
and I am very passionate about old Hindi and English songs, especially Hindi songs.
Mm-hmm.
They have the power to change my mood. So, old Hindi songs is another passion of
Which one
mine.
is your favorite?
Oh, there are so many. I mean,
One which we you are thinking about in this position, like in this situation, what song comes on your mind? Like,
see, there is one Mukesh song which I really, which peps me up from inside. Is that song from I think Rajnikanda? ये दिन छोटी सी बात. The movie is
mm-hmm.
छोटी सी बात. ये दिन क्या आए लगे फूल हंसने. It's a very nice song. जैसे बसंती बसंती. So it just peps me up, you know. And but my all-time favorite is Rafi Sahab. Nobody can beat him. It's
Which song?
I just love it. Oh, there are so many. Dil Ka Bhavar. I mean, so
Let's
many.
please sing that Dil Ka Bhavar.
Hanji?
बहुत अच्छा गा रहे थे आप अभी.
Ah,
We
nahi, nahi,
haven't
Baba.
even.
I am a
I was
bathroom
not
singer,
Dil Ka
please.
Bhavar करे पुकार. This one you're saying.
Yeah. Pyar ka raag suno.
Let us sing together. Okay.
Oh.
Because I am also not a good singer, but I love singing. So let's sing together. Dil ka
Hmm.
bhavar
करे पुकार प्यार का
karta
राग
raag
सुनो
suno.
प्यार का
Karta.
राग सुनो रे. To
अंजलि
you
अरोड़ा के
also.
शो में अंजलि अरोड़ा के शो में हर आर्टिस्ट ने गाना गाया है, तो आपको कैसे छोड़
Oh,
देते
is it? You should have warned me. I would have rehearsed a
हैं? नो
little.
नो, आई वांट दिस नेचुरल वाला टच.
The croaking one.
Yeah, actually. Because I also keep on doing that only in the all my episodes. If you will see my episodes, so I start with the song, I start with the shari, I enjoy these things.
Yeah.
Okay, jokes apart. Also, I will also ask you कि आप जैसे आप कह रहे हो कि आपकी काफी मैंने देखा है कि ट्रांसफर भी होती हुई रही है हस्बैंड की जॉब की वजह से. तो हाउ
हाँ
यू
जी.
गेट होता है ना अडेप्टेड टू द एटमॉस्फेयर, मतलब हर जगह आपको अलग अलग तरह के लोग मिलते होंगे.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
And artists are the best observers.
Yes.
So how is your experience
Absolutely. The
about it?
artist, I feel the artist does not look. He sees. You
Yeah,
know, he
actually.
sees if there are ruins, people will look at the ruins, but an artist would see the beauty in it. So an
Hmm.
artist
True.
sees through, yeah. And as far as my these transferable places, you know, I think I've been sheer lucky that I got, and there have not been much. Like I went to Lucknow and Chandigarh besides Delhi, and now Bombay. So it has not been very moving around. But like I remember my first ever posting from Delhi was Lucknow,
Okay.
and that Lucknow was a like a I was like an Alice in Wonderland. I had no idea, no relatives, no friends, nothing.
Oh,
I had to start from scratch, you know. And पहली बार मैं दिल्ली से बाहर निकली थी. I come from a business family, so all this
okay.
transfer and all that is not in my system, you know. So
Hmm.
it took me a lot of time to adjust there mentally. Physically तो हो ही जाता है, but but that place grew on me, you know. And anyways, as far as this painting is concerned, what happened that I was setting up my home. So I
Hmm.
was just new in Lucknow, and, and there was this painting which I had to get framed. So Lucknow May, and in fact all around the place like Kanpur, Bareilly, and UP, the whole of UP, that belt, there was this one fellow who had the monopoly of selling paintings and
Okay.
framing.
अच्छा।
Mr. Ravi Grover,
हम्म।
Hazratganj में.
अच्छा।
So I asked people around ki if there's any good framer, so they guided me to him. So I went there, gave him my work, and तो what happened that वो framing के बाद ना वो बहुत बड़ा सारा हो गया था, no.
ओके।
So he said कि I have my big van where I transport things from the workshop to the shop. So मैं खुद आके I will come and give it to you because I live nearby. So it's fine.
अच्छा।
So he came in the evening, and by the time I went to get him some water, tea, and I came back, though there were few paintings of mine in the drawing room. So he was looking at them, and he said, "कि ये किसने बनाई है?" So I said, "Sir, I have made them." So he said, "अच्छा, आप कितनी देर हो यहाँ लखनऊ में?" So I said, "I have no idea. Maybe 3 years, 4 years." So he said कि इंशाल्लाह हम आपको फ्री नहीं बैठने देंगे. And
अच्छा।
you won't believe, Anjali, he gave me so much work to do. And he used to sell my paintings in double the price because, I knew it. I came to know about it. Yeah. So, but then that was okay. I mean, for me, money was not important. For me, my work was important. मेरा
करेक्ट।
हाथ चलता
पीपल वर
रहे.
लाइकिंग इट एक्चुअली।
Yeah, yeah. I that time I had my particular style of I used to make them in very earthy colors,
अच्छा।
and yeah, mixed media में बनाती थी, and in very earthy colors, and he used to make me mostly paintings of the Maharajas, and like all that finery, and
हाँ हाँ, राइट।
so and I love making those as it is, and I learned a lot. I am very thankful to Mr. Ravi Grover कि चाहे ठीक है, he was exploiting my you know
हाँ।
talent or whatever, but मुझे उसने काम दिया, और मेरा काम मतलब मैं practice makes it perfect. जितना मैंने काम किया उतना मेरा हाथ और
परफेक्शन
अच्छा
है।
हुआ.
राइट।
So I'm very grateful to him. I learned a lot in those 4 years. और besides, like मेरे बच्चे छोटे छोटे थे, तो डाइनिंग टेबल में शायद हमने कभी खाना ही नहीं खाया.
ओके।
क्योंकि वहां पे I could not get the kids needed their rooms, and guest room भी
हाँ।
mostly कोई ना कोई आया होता था. So तो मैं डाइनिंग रूम पे ही मेरा सेटअप रहता था. सो
ओके।
मैंने हमेशा अपने कॉर्नर्स एंड ढूंढे हैं, जहाँ नहीं भी मुझे रूम मिला.
राइट।
I have found my corners and made my own small studio. Yeah.
दैट्स ग्रेट। और
So,
इवन जब कहते हैं ना कि हम लोग जब उस मूड में हैं, हमें बस एक कॉर्नर दे दो, लेट मी एंड माय
बिल्कुल.
पैशन बी।
Yeah, and away from the maddening crowd.
सो
Yeah, nothing to do with the world.
हाउ वाज योर 2020? 2020 में क्या किया आपने?
You mean during the lockdown?
यस, जब हमने आपको
Well,
बंद कर दिया था। पूरी दुनिया बंद हो
ah,
गई थी एक्चुअली।
yeah, Anjali, I would tell you one thing. I was the most happiest person.
ओह।
It was like a blessing in disguise. No tension of getting ready. कोई targets है, कोई exhibitions है, कोई social gatherings है, कोई official dinner है. Nothing. हाँ ठीक है, थोड़ा मुझे घर का काम करना पड़ा, cooking and all that. But besides that, I was at ease. I was mentally so relaxed. And I think उन दिनों भी, and obviously I can't do without my paintings. I made paintings at that time also, though they were at a slower pace because I had other things to do.
राइट।
But painting, yes, वो easel पे एक नई पेंटिंग हमेशा रही, और मैंने बड़े ही प्यार से, बड़े ही अच्छे से बनाई. So I just loved it. अभी I hope next lockdown कब होएगा.
यू वांट लॉकडाउन?
People will kill me if they hear that now.
एक्चुअली 2020 बहुत जनों के लिए ब्लेसिंग रहा है, बहुत जनों के लिए
Yes,
थोड़ा
yes,
ऊपर
yeah.
नीचे रहा है, बट होता ना जिनके लिए ऊपर नीचे रहा उनको लेसन सीखना भी जरूरी
I know. So I mean, I'm just kidding.
है। इट
Like,
वाज
yeah,
ब्लेसिंग फॉर
but
मी
it,
actually. I am also doing my passion art change in 2020 only, so it was blessing for me also.
yeah, it has taught us a lot. I mean,
करेक्ट,
ये नहीं कि हमें पता नहीं था, हमें सब पता है कि simple life is the key word to happiness.
भूल गए थे हम।
ये सब हम जो, हाँ, अभी ये 1 year हमने मे बी अपने ट्रैक्स और टी शर्ट्स में बिताए हैं, कोई ज्वेलरी नहीं पहनी, कोई यू नो नॉट इवन अ काजल, एटलीस्ट
राइट।
आई वाज नॉट इवन इनटू दैट, एज इट इज आई एम नॉट वेरी मच इनटू मेकअप एंड वो बैग्स और वो शूज और वो कपड़े, वे कहाँ है ब्रांडेड, सब कुछ भी नहीं है, बेसिकली वी डोंट नीड
राइट,
देम, यू नो, इट्स
एक्चुअली।
जस्ट कि हम ही ने वो सब बना रखा है, अदरवाइज तो घर का खाना, सिंपल रहो और अपनी पेंटिंग करो।
तो अब 2021 कैसे जा रहा है, कैसा है, आपके प्लान्स क्या है 2021 में?
Well, I'm first of all praying and hoping that this COVID thing gets over, because I frankly very get disturbed. बहुत disturb हो जाती हूँ, and especially अगर known persons का कोई ऐसा
राइट।
सुनती हूँ, सबसे पहले तो यही prayers हैं कि we all should be out of it, और भगवान सबको सबकी रक्षा करे. I sincerely pray for that for everyone.
सो स्वीट।
No,
इवन
I
आप,
really mean it.
अब जैसे आपने कहा कि आप सेल्फ टॉट आर्टिस्ट हैं, तो बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट हैं, बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनसे मैं मिलती रहती हूँ, दे आर सेल्फ टॉट। तो यू वांट टू गिव एनी मैसेज टू देम, एनी आर्टिस्ट, एस्पायरिंग आर्टिस्ट जो आपके जैसे जिनका पैशन आर्ट है?
I would say that जो भी करो, you know, पेंटिंग और आर्टिस्ट में ना एक कनेक्ट होता है,
राइट।
और होना भी चाहिए, you know, it is like a, it is as pious and as beautiful as a mother and child's relationship.
ट्रू।
You know, a mother also creates a child. ऐसे ही एक आर्टिस्ट पेंटिंग क्रिएट करता है, you know, it's like a baby for that artist. And जो भी बनाए ऑनेस्टी से, मेहनत से, दिल से, आर्टिस्ट, आई थिंक, एज फार एज आई एम कंसर्न्ड, मैं दिमाग से ज्यादा दिल का इस्तेमाल करती हूँ,
ओके।
एंड आई समहाउ फील कि हर आर्टिस्ट करता है, यू नो, और होना भी चाहिए वैसे ही, हाँ जी. So, and it shows in your work, you know, your work will speak louder than your words.
ट्रू।
So, दिल से, मेहनत से अपना काम करो, बाकी कर्म करो, फल का इच्छा रहने दो, वो हाँ अपने आप मिलेगा. So, दिल से one has to work. Yeah.
तो नाइस मैम, और आपने सही कहा कि जो ये इमेजिनेशन और ये सब है, हम दिल से ही आना चाहिए, तभी वो उस पे दिखता है
बिल्कुल.
कैनवस पे एक्चुअली कि क्या
Yeah.
बनाना
You
चाह
have
रहे थे
to.
वो।
हाँ, बिल्कुल. And I, one more thing I would like to say कि what I have personally felt, you know, in all my these years of my painting, and I think somewhere it is the truth कि कोई भी artist है, चाहे वो किसी भी field में है, music में है या painting में है, singing में है, you have to first connect to the divine, you
राइट।
know, वो एक बहुत जरूरी है. उसकी ब्लेसिंग्स पहले देखो, आप स्टेज पे भी कोई म्यूजिशियन कोई जाता है, वो पहले मत्था टेकता है, तो
राइट। हाँ जी।
वो एक, हाँ जी, वो एक उसके साथ जुड़ना बहुत जरूरी है बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आवर वर्क. सो या दैट वे.
तो आपसे मैं ज़रूर ये भी आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जानना चाहूँगी। जैसे होता है ना कि पहले होता था कि ऑल आर ड्राइंग विद अ ब्रश एंड ऑल, अब टैब मोबाइल्स में भी पेंटिंग की जाती है। तो व्हाट इज़ योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू अबाउट इट, जो अभी मॉडर्न आर्ट आता जा रहा है?
या सी, मे बी वो एक जनरेशन गैप कह लो. अभी वी आर स्टिल द, यू नो, एटलीस्ट आई एम द ओल्ड स्कूल ऑफ थॉट कि जो जब तक हाथ रंगों से भर नहीं जाते, वो एक फीलिंग आनी चाहिए, यू नो. थोड़े कपड़ों पे गिरे हुए हुए मेरे जितने भी ट्रैक पैंट्स हो, सब मैं कितने भी नए ले आऊं, वो सब में छींटे हैं इधर उधर, एंड आई डोंट कंप्लेन एट ऑल. So वो एक जो फीलिंग है ना, यू नो, विद द paints and the thing, the canvases in front of you, वो एक अलग ही feeling है. You just cannot compare it with the nowadays जो आजकल things have come up. So
समुद्र
they
में
are
जाकर ही
good in
तैरने
the.
का मजा है एक्चुअली।
हाँ जी.
मैंने कहा समुद्र में जाकर ही तैरने का मजा आएगा एक्चुअली।
एग्जैक्टली या और अभी आजकल देखो वर्चुअल मीटिंग्स वगैरह सब वो चीज नहीं है. यू नो अंटिल यू मीट समबडी वो फेस टाइम्स वगैरह में क्या यू डोंट गेट दैट फीलिंग, यू नो, until and unless you sit across the table, have a cup of coffee together. वो एक अलग that presence is a different sort of an experience. You just cannot compare it. Yeah. I wish I was having this interview with you in front of me, you know, personally, not on the.
Next month we are starting with this also. We are starting with the physical interviews. We are going to go with that guest and take interview there only.
Oh,
We are
wonderful.
planning for this.
Wish you all the best for that.
Thank you so much, मैम.
Great.
मैम मैं आपसे जरूर ये भी पूछूंगी कि आपके बच्चों को इंटरेस्ट है आर्ट में?
Well, if you say that they do they paint, no.
Okay.
Not at all. No, but my daughter is very creative. She writes poems and she is very good in, you know, prose, and she makes these, you know, her, what do you say? She's a very good orator.
Okay.
So somewhere that creativity is
is there.
there. Yeah, yeah. In fact, she always says कि mom, I hope that, you know, generally they say कि जो talents है वो एक generation skip करते हैं. So she's saying कि I hope this, you know, talent goes into one of my kids. So, and even I'm hoping. In fact, it is my dream that I have a exhibition with my grandchild.
Oh, great.
If I live at like, you know, that long.
Why not? And I wish कि हाँ जरूर ये आपका जो ड्रीम है, ये जो आपने सोचा है बहुत ही अच्छा सोचा है. It will be a great scenario actually जब साथ में ही है. और also I will ask you कि जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आपके बच्चों को इतना शौक नहीं है, बट ऐसा हुआ होगा कि आपने सबके पोर्ट्रेट्स बनाए होंगे घर पर जरूर, as you make portraits.
Frankly, no.
अच्छा, हस्बैंड को भी
नहीं.
गिफ्ट नहीं दिया एनिवर्सरी में?
उनके मैंने कार्टून्स बना रखे.
Actually,
those caricatures.
ऐसा तो नहीं था.
Those caricatures, you know, the funny caricatures I have made. Yeah. Yeah.
तो आपने मतलब हस्बैंड को ऐसे गिफ्ट किया है बनाकर?
No, no. He's I mean, no. No.
Okay.
Husband, I'll tell you, this reminds me of one incident. It may not have any, you know, link with what you're asking me, but just I like to share that on our first date before marriage. So, and I was a very shy, very, you know, timid sort of a girl. ज़्यादा बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोलती थी, ज़्यादा नहीं बोलती थी, बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोलती थी. So this first date we went, and he was in Bombay those days, so he had no idea about Delhi. So he told me कि you are the boss, so wherever you'll tell, you know, we will go. तो first मैं बंगला साहब गए, मत्था टेका, उन्हें वहाँ ले गई. अब उसके बाद तो even I was blank कि अब मैं क्या करूँ. So exactly, वो मुल्ला की दौड़ आ गई ना.
मुझे समझ.
There was this Dhumi Mal gallery, very famous at that time in Connaught Place. So he says, now what? So I said, okay, CP is next door. So let's go. We'll have lunch somewhere, and I would like to take you somewhere. अब मैं उधर इनको लेके गई उस गैलरी में, और I was so in my own world. Now this poor fellow. उस वक्त तो कुछ नहीं बोले, but later on he's been always, जब भी वो होता है, he says, इतना मैं बोर हुआ ना, तो so you can imagine. बट माय बोलती मैं नहीं थी ज्यादा, लेकिन मेरे पैशन, माय पैशन फॉर माय पेंटिंग गेव मी द करेज टू टेल हिम एंड वार्न हिम दैट my first love is my painting. So you
दहेज
better,
में लाऊंगी।
yeah.
मैम बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपके साथ बातें करते हुए, और बहुत
Same here, Anjali.
तो मैं आपसे ज़रूर ये पूछना चाहूँगी, जो हमारे शो का आखिरी सवाल है और मेरे लिए बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल सवाल है, बहुत ज़रूरी है, कि आपको हमारे शो पर कैसा लगा?
Oh, it was wonderful. मुझे पता भी नहीं लगा कि it's a show. I don't know, मैं शायद उल्टा फुल्टा भी बोल गई बीच में, but it's like, I speaking to my friend. So I mean,
नहीं,
it
आपने
was
कुछ भी
very
उल्टा-फुल्टा
nice,
नहीं
and
बोला और बहुत अच्छा लगा।
you made me feel so comfortable that I didn't feel any, I was a little tensed up and nervous, but you made me feel so comfortable, Anjali.
माय
Thank you so
प्लेज़र।
much.
माय प्लेजर मैम, एंड ऐसे ही होता है कि दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि आपको टेंशन मत लीजिए, बहुत अच्छे से होगा। एंड द थिंग इज कि मेन ये होता है कि व्हेन यू टॉक नेचुरली, तो व्हेन स्क्रिप्टिंग इज नॉट देयर, तो वो अपने आप दिल से
Yeah,
बातें होती है, तो पता नहीं चलता।
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, 100% true.
कल श्योरली से थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग ऑन आवर शो, और हमें बहुत अच्छी लगी आपकी बातें, और इसी तरह हमारे साथ बने रहिएगा। आगे भी आपको
Thank you,
जब भी आना
Anjali.
हो हमें याद करिएगा, और फिजिकली भी हम आपका इंटरव्यू ज़रूर लेंगे।
Yeah. It has been my pleasure and honor, Anjali. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
Thank you, Anjali. God bless you.
थैंक यू। पर्सनालिटी एंड वेरी हम्बल पर्सन। बहुत ही मज़ा आया आपके साथ बातें करके। एंड गाइस, अगर आप भी एक विजुअल आर्टिस्ट और आना चाहते हैं द अंजलि अरोड़ा टॉक शो पर, तो ज़रूर हमारी टीम को कांटेक्ट करिए, हम यहाँ हैं आपके लिए। तो चलिए जाती हूँ मैं, और ज़रूर मिलेंगे अपने नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में किसी और पैशनेट गेस्ट के साथ, और करेंगे बातें उनकी जिनकी क्या बात है। बाय बाय।